Okay, I'm going to take a little break here on stripping the parts off the car. I'm really curious to see how well this paint's going to strip off. So this is going to be the first test of it. I'm using the Aircraft Ultra Paint Remover. It's made for fiberglass, rigid plastics, and metal. So I'm going to just brush some on here, right here where the paint's cracked. I want to see how good that's going to come off. There's no turning back now. This baby is going to have to be painted now. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and cover this with some saran wrap. That's supposed to make it work better. Just going to go like that. Okay, let's see what kind of damage I did here. I don't think I put it on thick enough to begin with. Ooh. Okay, I think I'm going to try it one more time. I'm going to put it on a little thicker this time. It said not put it on thin, and when I brushed that on, it kind of thinned out. So I'm going to try to put it on thicker, and then we'll see what that does. Okay, it's been about a half an hour since I put that on, and wow. Wow, you can see a big difference there now. And that paint is on there thick. It's no wonder it cracked. I don't know why they put it on there so thick. And I don't know if that's, I guess that's their primer. I don't know if that's a fiberglass down there, or if that's part of the original green paint. It's kind of hard to tell. I have to work my way down in one spot and then see what it looks like. Well, this is definitely going to be a challenge because they really got the paint on thick on there. I mean, it is thick. I'm down to the primer there, and man, it's no wonder the paint cracked. You can't put it on that thick on fiberglass.